Is this the reality? Yes, it is your reality. You will grow with your own without anybody, and you will pursue your dream with your own effort. Being student in technology era or internet, now you may feel the reality because it is belong to the life now. But there's a moment I want to came back.
Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan. May mga sariling gimik at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay. Sa ilalim ng isang bubong, mga sikretong ibinubulong. Kahit na anong mangyari, kahit na saan ka man patungo, ngunit ngayon, kay bilis maglaho ng kahapon. Sana'y huwag kalimutan ang ating mga pinagsamahan. At kung sakaling kipitin ay laging iisipin.
That was the moment I want to go back with my old friends and enjoying the normal lifestyle. And there's no stress and struggle that we have now. I wish I could go back.